Hey, what's going on? This is Eric Cortina, Texas Barndominiums. Today, we bring you a Barndo tour of a Barndominium that we finished recently. This Barndominium is 2,300 square feet living area, 1,200 square feet porch. We have a 500 square foot breezeway, and we also have a 1,000 square foot shop. So this Barndominium is 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, and it also has a big quilting room. So as you can see from the outside, we have stonework, we have stucco, we have nice big porches. It's a great Barndo. So anyway, enough of that. Let me go show you what we got. So the front porch is 8 feet, and it goes the length of the home, including the breezeway. So we have a stone wainscot, and then we have stone above it. Double pane windows, low E3 coating, vinyl windows. You want vinyl windows. LED lighting, sconces, metal soffits, I mean, the works. So you can tell we also did stone in the columns, and above the columns, our customer opted to have them painted. To me, that is the preferred way, because typically we put cedar boxes above it. We wrap it in cedar. Well, that tends to be a maintenance item, correct? So one of the biggest appeals of Barndominiums is they're very low maintenance. So obviously you do not want a maintenance item there. So just have the columns painted. That's the best way. Of course, we have a beautiful front door. That is a must, right? So you want to have this looking very similar to a conventional home, at least in the front door. You want to make it very homey, have a nice curb appeal. Now you don't have to, but this is what a customer wanted. So, you know, she has a very good taste. So that's what we gave her. As you come around the home, you come into the breezeway. So the breezeway is 15 feet wide. The home is on this side. The shop is on that side. This creates some separation, and obviously this creates a very good place to have some parties, to have some get-togethers. So just a lot of outdoor space so you can share with your family and friends. And like I said, the shop is right there. So if you're gonna do any work in the shop, none of the sound is gonna transfer over to the home. Obviously these homes are very quiet because they're foam insulated. But again, creating the separation helps a lot too. Metal soffits everywhere, including the breezeway and the porches. And then we have another door here to go into the home that lines up with the shop. So this is gonna make it very convenient to go from the home into the shop and vice versa. So as you can see back here, like I said, 8-foot porch, big windows, and just very nice. You can see the view out there. Just very nice view. So customer gonna be able to sit back here and just enjoy the view. So beautiful, beautiful. And again, very similar back here. So now here, the big difference is we don't have any stone or stucco. We just kept metal all the way through, and obviously very low maintenance, but it still looks very good. So that's the outside of the home. So let's go inside and take a look. So as you can see, the living room is very spacious. The living room ceiling height is 11 feet. The rest of the house is 9 feet. As you can see here, we have custom built shelves, and our customers, they love to read. So this is gonna get filled with books that they have read over the years. Here we have a smart thermostat for our HVAC systems. We use dual speed condensers, variable speed air handlers. So this thing handles humidity and temperature. Very important in a foamed home or Barndominium is to keep humidity low. This Barndominium is completely sealed. There is no venting in the attic. So obviously that makes it super efficient, but at the same time, we must control humidity. That's the key. Kitchen. Very spacious kitchen, granite countertops, farm sink, custom cabinets, the works, under cabinet lighting, tile backsplash, everything they could wish for, we have here. We have custom cabinets. You can see we did a custom stain on these, soft close hardware throughout. We have an induction cooktop. That's what our customer selected. Vent hood, custom wrapped to match the rest of the home. So here we have a dual oven setup, very nice. Then of course we have a very nice island here with a vegetable sink. So over here we have the pantry. You will notice on the pantry we have a very unique barn door. That barn door, all the materials from the barn door except the glass were from a schoolhouse built in 1915. Those boards were on the outside of the schoolhouse, and on the bottom there, those tiles, they were ceiling tiles. So in case you don't think this barn door is unique enough, let me show you the pantry. You can see in here we also have a lot of shelves and also lots of cabinets. We have butcher block countertops, very nice, very unique. And of course we have some electrical plugs in here. Lots of shelves and lots of lighting. So finding what you need in here is not going to be an issue. So down here we have a wine chiller, which is conveniently placed across from the refrigerator. So over here you will notice the beautiful granite countertops on the counters themselves and the bar, and of course also on the backsplash. So we did wood grain tile throughout the home except for the quilting room and the laundry room. So we're going to show you some of that. We have some floor plugs, very conveniently placed so that our customer can place lamps and whatever else they may need. So let me show you the quilting room. So beautiful, beautiful quilting room. This is where our customer is going to spend most of her time. We did stained concrete floors in here, and of course we have plenty of light. We have 3 windows in this room so that you have a lot of natural light coming in. We also did a shelf all the way around so that she can place, you know, anything that she may want up there. This is also a 11-foot ceiling in here. So another thing that we have here is all the trim work is stain grade, and so are the doors. This is all solid doors. There is no hollow core in this home or any of our homes. And get over here, Danny, I'll show you. Over here you will notice that, well, it's hard to tell, but that light turns off the minute you close the door. Actually, get in there, Danny. We're going to show this. Ready? See that? Pretty neat. Come on out, Daniel. So we also have some can lights and 2 ceiling fans in this quilting room. So like I said, this is where our customer is going to spend most of her time. Another thing I like to point out is we have supply and return lines for HVAC system. That's typical in these big areas, but also in the bedrooms we have that same setup. You can tell right there we have supply and return as well as can lights. Our customer decided she would rather have can lights than ceiling fan with a light kit, which I actually agree that it looks better. You get a lot more light, and you can also just put dimmers on here if you prefer, which is what we did in this case. So these can lights can be very bright, but they can also be dimmed, so very convenient. Now coming into here, you have the bathroom number 2. So let me show you a very cool trick we did here. So the water heater is on the other side of the house. Obviously, hot water would take a long time to get to here because it would have to travel about 80 feet, right? So we put these sensors here, and what we have is a circulating pump. When anybody walks in here, these sensors pick you up, and if you go to use the sink or use the shower, hot water is going to be there pretty quick. Once the circulating pump comes on, it'll run for 15 minutes and then it'll shut off. So that's a very nice solution that we came up with so that you don't have to wait for hot water for a long time. So as you come into here, you have your water closet, you have your shower, nice tile shower, glass door, glass wall. We have a pony wall here, outlined with tile, and then we have glass the rest of the way up. Very nice. We have some towel hooks here, and of course you can come out this way and you see the other sink. So these 2 bedrooms can have access to the same bathroom. So here's the office, and of course we have the same setup. We have ceiling fan, can lights, and this one you have a nice big window overlooking the backyard. These windows are 3x5, again double pane, low E3, all the good stuff, and vinyl. You want vinyl. You want low energy transfer. So Vinyl is the way to go. And of course, we always do wood stools on our windows. Now our walls are 8 inches thick. That's how you end up with such a big stool. But we like that. We have plenty of insulation in there. Very efficient home. All the drywall was 5/8, ceiling and walls, so that we can get your fire rating throughout the home. The baseboards 1x6 and the casing is 1x4. In here we have the half bath or hall bath. As you can tell, customer wanted a 3-foot door. It's very small, but we're able to put a 3-foot door in here. So this big door is going to allow handicap access, but yet still make it very convenient for everyday use. Now another thing that we have in all of our walls is they are always insulated. All the interior walls are insulated. So this is gonna make your home very quiet, very pleasant. Okay, now let's go to the other side of the house. This is the master bedroom. So we have a ton of light. There's 2 big windows overlooking the backyard. And like I said, we have a ton of light. Also, we have tile floors in this master bedroom. So as you can see here, we have a nice barn door going into the master bathroom. And of course, once you come in here, you have a very spacious bathroom. We have a water closet there. We have dual sinks, big mirror, and very, very nice shower here. So in our shower here, we have a rain head and a conventional shower head. Very spacious. We also have a bench in the back. Here, we come to the closet. Very nice walk-in closet, very spacious. We have a lot of shelves. We have some hanging rods. And of course, we also have a built-in cabinet in here. So a lot of room, a lot of storage that our customer is going to enjoy. This is a walk-in closet. And then we have a pocket door that leads into the laundry room. So this is going to make it very convenient. Whenever you're doing laundry, you can simply go from the walk-in closet over to the laundry room. And of course, we have another sink here. We have a very colorful Mexican sink that our customer had, and she wanted to use it, so we used it in the laundry room. We have another refrigerator here, and we also have a coat closet in here. Very nice linen closet here. Of course, we also have can lights in here. So very bright, very nice. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the tour of this Barndominium. As you guys can tell, a lot of hard work went into building this Barndo. And the good thing is we have some very happy customers, and you guys can see why. I really appreciate you guys joining us. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We are approaching 20,000 subscribers, and we want you to be one of those. We'll see you next time. We are Texas Barndominiums.